You want to connect your Osmo Action 3 or 4 camera to the Sena helmet communication system without any wiring? In this video we show you how, so stay tuned. Instead of wires, we are going to use Bluetooth to connect the devices. Using a Bluetooth connection instead of relying on wired connections has several advantages. The first one being the setup on your helmet. Since there are no extra wires to install, your helmet keeps clean and safe. Secondly, the quality of the microphone is very high because Bluetooth supports high quality codecs. Also, connecting the camera via Bluetooth means you can include intercom conversations to your recordings. To be able to establish a Bluetooth connection between the Sena and the Osmo Action camera, we use this Avantree C81 dongle. It is plug and play and has the ability to transmit the microphone signal. It is placed in the USB-C port of the camera like this. Once we turn on the camera, a blue LED will start flashing. Next, we can turn on the intercom on the helmet. To pair both of the devices, we use the helmet interface. If the connection between the Sena and the camera is successful, the blue LED will now be constant. The next step is very important. Double tap on the dongle to switch the signal from output to input. Now the blue LED turns to white. On the screen of the camera appears a microphone icon. When you will start talking to the microphone in your helmet, the input will be shown in this icon. And finally, it's time to mount the camera on the helmet and start testing out.
Just testing out my microphone. So it is connected to my intercom. My camera is connected to my intercom, and I'm just trying out if the connection is good, if the quality is good. We will see. Just a big experiment.
As a final note, I connected the Osmo Action 3 to the Sena SC2 intercom system. The dongles should also work with the Action 4 camera and the other Sena intercoms. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Have a nice ride and stay safe.